Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. In the figure above, the circle has center O and segment AB is tangent to the circle. If angle ABO measures pi over 10 radians and the area of the shaded sector is pi, what is the area of the circle? Okay, here a particular region is shaded. Actually, the shaded region is the sector of the circle, and we have the angle measure ABO over here. That is pi over 10 radians over here. Okay, so for our convenience, better we can convert this angle measure from radians to degrees. So to convert pi over 10 radians to degrees, what I have to do is it has to be multiplied by 180 degree over pi. So this pi will cancel, this 0 will cancel out, then I'm getting 18 degrees. So the degree measure which is equivalent to this pi over radians is 18 degrees. We can write 18 degrees angle measure over here. And since AB is the tangent and OA is the radius, at the point of contact, always the angle between the radius of the circle and the tangent is a right angle. That is a 90 degree we have over here. Okay, now let's consider triangle OAB. So in this triangle OAB, I know the measures of the two interior angles, 90 degree, 80 degree, and here we have the central angle of the sector, which has been shaded over here. Let me assume the central angle of the sector as x. So now let's consider the three interior angle measures of the triangle OAB over here. In any triangle, the three interior angle measures will always add up to 180 degree. That is x positive, 90 degree positive, 18 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay, x positive, when I combine these two values, I'm getting 108 degrees equals to 108 degrees. Now to solve for x, I have to subtract 108 degrees from both sides. When I do so, this positive value, negative value will cancel. I'm getting x equals to, when I simplify this 180 negative 108, I'm getting 72 degrees. Now I got the central angle of the sector, that is 72 degrees. Okay, now let me erase the x over here and mark 72 degrees angle measure over here. Okay, now let me consider the area of the sector given in the question. That is the area of the shaded sector is pi. Let me write over here. So area of the shaded sector is pi. And since this shaded region is area of a sector, here instead of area we can use the formula to find the area of a sector of a circle. That is theta over 360 degree times the area of the circle, which is pi r square, that is equal to pi. So here r is the radius of the circle and this theta is the central angle of the sector. So just now we got it, that is 72 degrees. So we can plug in 72 degrees for this theta over here. And we don't need to know the radius because according to the question we have to find the area of the circle. So this expression, this pi r square is the formula to find area of a circle. That is this expression represents the area of a circle. So we have to solve for this expression pi r square. Okay, now let me plug in theta equals to 72 degrees, that is the central angle of the sector. So that is 72 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi r square equals to pi. So 72 goes into 72 one times and 72 goes into 360 5 times. So I'm getting 1 over 5 times pi r square equals to pi. Okay, my aim is to solve for pi r square. So I have to get up this 1 over 5. For that I multiply both sides of this equation by 5. When I do so, this 5 will cancel out. So 1 times pi r square is just pi r square. Pi times pi can be written as 5 pi. So as I said earlier, this represents the area of the circle. So therefore, the area of the circle equals to 5 pi square units. We find 5 pi in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.